Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really practical skill for anyone working with Power BI: how to find, remove, and hide unused measures and columns. By the end of this video, you'll not only free up space and cut the clutter from your Power BI projects, but you'll also make your reports easier to maintain and easier for others to understand. Let's dive right in. So let's get started by actually creating some example measures. Picture this: you've got your sales table open in Power BI, and like most analysts, you're experimenting or building out new DAX formulas as your needs evolve. To follow along, go ahead and select your sales table, then click on New Measure. Here, we're going to define 4 different measures to work with. The first is total sales, calculated by summing up the amount column. I'll type total sales equals sum of sales amount. Next, let's add total quantity for the total items sold, again using sum but this time over quantity. Then perhaps you want to track the total discounts you've given, so we'll add total discount, another sum, this time on discount. And finally, maybe you're curious about the average sales per order, so we create average sales using the average function over amount. Now, not all measures you create will end up being useful. Maybe you're testing ideas or perhaps business requirements change. Let's imagine you build some visuals, a table or maybe a card to show summary statistics. Drag total sales and total quantity into your visual. Now these measures are officially used because they're directly driving what your audience sees in the report. This is an important distinction. If you ever remove a measure from all visuals and it isn't referenced by other calculations, it becomes unused. It's a bit like having kitchen gadgets you thought you'd use every day, but after a month they're just taking up space. Next, let's talk about identifying those unused measures. In our example, total discount and average sales didn't make it into any visual. They're just sitting there in the field's pane, which means they're not helping your end user at all. This not only makes things more confusing when you're back in the file weeks later, but it can confuse other people working with your reports too. So what should you do with these unused measures? If you think you might need them for future calculations, you don't have to delete them. Instead, jump into Model View, look for that tab at the left, and right-click on the measure you want to hide. Select Hide in Report View. It might take a moment for Power BI to update, but once it does, the measure disappears from the field's pane for report building, while still being available in case you want to reference it in another formula. This is like putting those extra kitchen gadgets into a drawer. They're out of sight, but you can always use them if you need to. Now, if you're sure you'll never need one of these measures again, for example, after a business process change or a big report cleanup, it's smart to actually delete the measure. Right-click the measure and select Delete. Just be cautious here. Once it's deleted, it's gone from your model, and if any other calculation depended on it, you'll see an error. Think of this like cleaning out your fridge. If you're absolutely certain that old jar of pickles will never be used, it's okay to toss it. So to sum up, measures used in visuals or referenced by other formulas are used. Keep them visible and maintained. Measures just sitting there not doing anything, they're unused, and it's up to you to tidy them up for a cleaner, more streamlined report. Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap the like button, drop any questions or scenarios you're facing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.